Welcome students. In this in this video we are going to explain Carnot map. What is Carnot map? Carnot map is a pictorial representation to simplify any Boolean expression. We have learned how to simplify a Boolean expressions using any algebraic manipulations in our previous videos. So here we are going to describe how to use Carnot map to simplify any Boolean expressions. Okay, so at first we have to know how to create a Carnot map table from a Boolean expression. So in our Boolean expressions, we know Boolean expressions may have 2 variable, 3 variable, even 4 variables are there. Okay, so at first we have to learn what is Carnot map table. So first I am using 2 variable of Carnot map table. 2 variables, suppose a, b. Okay, that means functions of a, b. Maybe they are any Boolean expressions. Okay, but we know there are 2 variables. So for 2 variable expressions, so we get from our truth table, if there is 2 variable, we know that our combinations are 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, and our mean term value is this Carnot map expressions is specifically simplify Boolean expression using SOP form. So for SOP form we used mean term. Okay, so for mean term we know that first one is M0, M1, M2, M3. Okay, for 2 variable. Now in Carnot map, so there are 4 combinations, so we have to write 4 combinations like this way. We have to draw a box and 4 values are there. Okay, now there are 2 sides. One variable should be written here and another variable should be written in this sides. Okay, now suppose our variables are here. I am writing a and b. Okay, so b value should be here and a value should be here. So as b is a single variable, obviously there is a combinations of 2. That means it is 0, 1 is there, and here also 0 and 1. Okay, so 0 means here for b complement, 1 means this column is for b. In mean term 0 is in mean term 0 for b complement, so this column is for b complement and this column is for b, and this row is for a complement and this row is for a. So that's why I am written here 0, 0, 0, 1. Okay, so for this cell, first cell, so this cell is for 0, 0 value. 0, 0 value means zero, zero. That means A0, B0. This for 0, 1. These cells for 1, 0. Here it is 1, here it is 0. That means 1, 0. A should be written first and this for 1, 1. Okay. So in our sense 0, 0 means M0. 0, 1 means M1. 1, 0 means M2, 1, 3 means M3. Okay, so you don't have to write 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Just I am showing you. So you have to remember this, that first cell is M0, M1, that is M2, M3. Clear? This is for 2 variable. Now for the 3 variable. 3 variable means functions should be a, b, c. Any expression is there. So for 3 variable, we know that our mean term should be M0, M1, M2, like this way up to M7 you have truth table. So you can compare it with. So for 3 variables, our combination is, we know 2 to the power 3 equals to 8 combination. That's why our mean term value are M0, M1 to M0, M1 up to M7. Our 3 combination for mean term table I have explained in my previous video. So here I am writing the Carnot map table for 8 combinations value. Okay. One, 2, 3, 4, and as it is 3 variable, then we have to write like this way. A is there, one variable is there, and B, C variable is there. Okay, and our value is, as it is 2 variable. Okay, I'm writing, so this row is for A, this row is for A0. That means here we have to write in 0, 1. One single variable, 2 value. And here it is 2 value, then our combination should be first column 0, 0, second column 0, 1, third column 1, fourth column 1, 0, this column 1, 1. For 2 variable, we know that we have 4 combinations. So there are, for each column there are 4 columns, so 4 combination should be there. So our combination is 0, 0, 0, 1, and we know that our sequence is 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, but here we have to written 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 in the last column, then 1, 1. Why I am writing this? Because every next cell value, column value, must be 1 bit change from previous value. You can see that first is 0, 0, second is 0, 1. That means this value is changed, 1 bit change, this is same as it is. Second, if I write 1, 1, 1, 1 means this is changed, but this value remains same. And then 1, 0 means 1, 0. This means this bits change and this is remain same. That's why I am writing as 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. You have to remember 0, 0, 0, 1. Last cell is 1, 0, then 1, 1. I think all of you have already remembered this sequence 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Okay. So, but instead of this, if we write like this way, 0, 0, 0, 1, that means 1 bit change. 0, 1, 1, 0. You can see this bit also change, this bit also change. That means 2 bits change simultaneously. This should not be done in our Carnot map consecutive column. So that's why it is written here 0, 0, 0, 1. Last column is 1, 0. Then it is 1, 1. Okay. So as it is 0, 0, that means here it is B, C. That means it is B bar. It is C bar. 0, 1, 0 means B bar, C for C, as C is 1, it is 1, 1, that means it is B, C, it is 1, 0, that means B, C bar, because 0 for C bar, and for this 0 for A bar, 1 for A. Okay, now in our mean term value, you can compare it with your table. The first cell is 0, 0, 0. That means it is M0. 0, 0, 1. It is M1. 0, 1, 1. 0, 1, 1 means M3. 0, 1, 0 means M2. That means our sequence is, as it is changed here, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In 2 variable, it is sequence like this way, 0, 1, 2, 3. But in 3 variable, its sequence is 0, 1, 2, 3 because it is changed here 4, 5, 6, 7. You have to remember this just 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, this is Carnot map table for 3 variable. I am explaining how to simplify next later. At first you have to learn this, and for our 4 variable, so our 4 variable means here is a combination of A, B, C, D. 4 variable means how many combinations are there? 2 to the power 4, that means 16 combinations are there. Okay, for 4 variables there is 16 combinations. So our Carnot map table should be like this: 4 row and 4 columns. Four row, 4 columns. Okay, so here also, as it is 4 variable, in column sides there is 2 variable, in row side there is 2 variable. Okay, so for 2 variable combination should be there, for 2 variable combination should be there, and we know that our combination is 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. Last column is 1 0. Here also 0 0 0 1 1 1 0 1 1. Clear? So 0 0 means here the variables are C D, so it is C bar D bar. 0 1 means C bar D, 1 1 means C D bar, because 0 for D bar. First number bits is for C, second bit for D. Here also first bit for A, second bit for B. So it is A bar B bar, it is A bar B, it is for AB, and it is for A B bar. Clear? Now I know that all of you don't know the truth table for 4 variable. You don't need to do it, only just remember this. You can simplify it easily, and normally 4 variable is not in your syllabus, but in case if it comes, then you can do it easily. Okay, so our combinations is, this is same, M0, M1, M2, M3. Clear? M4, M5, M6, M7. So first 2 row are same. Okay, then M7 is there, we have to just jump in last row. M8, M9, M10, M11. This means these are all mean term value. Okay, so here M11, M12, M13, M14, M15. Clear? This is the normal table for Carnot map. Now we are going to simplify, how to do simplifications, how to represent it mean term expression in Carnot map. So mainly we required our 2 variable and 3 variable. So for 2 variable, I hope you understand, M0, M1, M2, M3, and M4, M0, M1, M2, M3, M4, M5, M6, M7, like this way. Okay, so let us see with an example. Suppose let us see an example. Simplify the following expression using K-map. So it is 2 variable and 3 min term value are given. So 2 variable means we have to express it in a Carnot map table. So for 2 variable we know that there are 4 combinations, and A is there, B is there. Our value is 0, 1, 0, 1. Okay. So if you want, you can write M0, M1, M2, M3 using pencil, and if you remember, you don't need to write this. You have to just put the value. 0 means M0. M0, 1, 2, 3. What does it mean? It means M0, M2, M3. Okay. So for mean term value, we know that we have 1 for mean term value. So we have to put the cell of M0 value 1. That means first cell is 1. So in our, I am writing here for your understanding, M0, M1, it is M2, it is M3. Okay. So for M0, as it is given M0 value in our expression, so M0 should be 1. M2 is 1. M3 also 1, and other is 0. Okay, you don't need to write M0, M1, M2, just to show you I am writing here. You have to remember this. This is M0, M1, M2, M3. If you can't remember, you can write in a separately like this. So M0, M1, M2, M3. Then you put the value here. In the box, you don't need to write M0, M1. Okay. Now, so our first step is to see how many variables are there. Next, we have to place 1 in places where there is the mean term value and others value should be 0. Then we have to combine, or we have to pair the 1 in a group. Either we have to pair 2 ones, okay, or 4 ones. We have to combine it. Either 2 ones we have to combine, or we have to combine 4 ones. And if there is, we can't combine 2 ones and 4 ones, we have to combine single one. But our main task is we can't combine 3 ones, 5 ones like this way, and either 2 ones or 4 ones or 2 to the power 3, 8 ones or 16 ones in the power of 2, or single one. Why single ones? Because 2 ones means 2 to the power 1, 4 ones means 2 to the power 2, single one means 2 to the power 0. In the combinations of 2 to the power 1s, we can combine the 1. So here, how we can combine? We can't combine diagonally. We have to combine either horizontally or vertically. So here we can combine this. You can see we combine these 1 into pair. Okay, and here also 1 is left, so we can't combine this diagonally, so we have to combine it horizontally. Okay, and we don't need to combine 0. So now what we should do, we have to do like this way. If, okay, at first I am telling you, so for these combinations you see what it would happen. So there are 2 combinations, one is horizontally and one is vertically. So 2 pairs are there. So for this pair we have to consider the mean value. You can see that this pair contain one horizontal row and that value is A. We know that it is A bar, and it is B bar, it is B. This pair contain one horizontal value which contains A, and 2 vertical value which contains one is 0 and another is 1. Okay, as these 2 are not same, we cannot take the value of B, but as A is a single value, we can take in consider A. So for these combinations we have to take A. We can take the vertical value because the vertical value contains separate variable. B bar and B. So for vertical column we can take any variable, and we can take the horizontal values only because it contains single value. So for horizontal these combinations we have to take A, and for this vertical one you can see that vertical value, the vertical row contains B bar, but the horizontal contains one is A bar and another is A. So also these two are different variable. So for horizontal value, because these combinations contains vertical row as well as horizontal row, so we have to take that value which contains in both the cells as a common. So for these combinations we have to take B bar. Okay, so for two circle, for first circle it is A, and for second circle it is B bar. So we can write like this way: if AB equals to A plus B bar. Okay, this is the simplified form of these expressions. Now let us do another example. If AB equals to sum of minterm 1, 3. Obviously here also two variable means we have to create 4 combinations are there. It is A, it is B, it is for 0, 1, it is also for 0, 1, and we know that M0, M1, M2, M3. If you don't read M0, M1 here, you write here M0, M1, M2, M3 for your understanding. So here it is 1. 1 means this value, so 1 should be there, and 3 means this value, so 1 should be there, and others are 0. Okay, so now we have to combine the 1 in a circle of either 2 1 or 4 1 or 8 1, like this way. So here is 2 1, so we can combine it like this way. Okay, now this circle contains, for horizontal row, one is for A and another is for A bar. So as both are different, we can take any horizontal value, and for vertical value there is only a single value, so this is B and this is B bar. So our simplification form is if AB equals to only B. Okay, as there is only single value. Okay, so this is the two variable Carnot map. In our next video we will learn about 3 variable Carnot map.